A heartfelt and sincere shout out to Senator Merlene Abello Alfonso for her exceptional generosity and unwavering support to numerous youth groups, teams, and communities. Through her contributions, Senator Abello Alfonso has made it possible for countless young athletes to experience the thrill of competition, both locally and abroad. Her dedication to ensuring that these young players have the resources they need to succeed is truly inspiring. Whether it's helping teams compete on international stages or providing essential support at the grassroots level, her impact is immeasurable. Every donation she makes, no matter the size, goes a long way in providing opportunities for these youth to grow, not just as athletes, but as individuals. It's clear that her support is not just about the games, but about empowering the next generation to reach their full potential. Senator Abello Alfonso's commitment to the community development and youth empowerment sets a shining example of leadership and compassion. Her kindness is a catalyst for change, and we are grateful for all she has done to uplift the spirit and potential of young players everywhere. Thank you, Senator, for your continued support. You are making a lasting difference in the lives of so many.